Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today with this video we are going to discuss about the MBA from the IIT Guwahati. So if we consider the Indian Institute of Technology Guwahati, then it provides you the 2 years of Masters of Business Administration program in a full-time mode. So if we consider the eligibility criteria for this program, then a valid CAT score is required. Then you must have completed your bachelor's degree or master's degree with at least 60% marks or minimum CPI or CGPA of 6.0 on a scale of 10. And if we consider it for the reserve category candidates, that is for the SC, ST and PWD candidates, then there is a relaxation of 5% is given. So you must have at least 55% marks in your graduation or in your masters or equivalent in CPI or CGPA, that is minimum 5.50 on a scale of 10. And if you are in final year, then also you are eligible to apply for the Indian Institute of Technology Guwahati. So if we consider the overall admission process for the IIT Guwahati, then it considered 2 stages. Like in the first stage, 70% weightage is given to your overall CAT score, 10% weightage is given to the gender diversity, 7% weightage is given to the work experience, 5% weightage is given to your performance in class 12, 5% weightage is given to your performance in graduation and 3% weightage is given to the performance in post-graduation. So here if we consider the 10% weightage which is given to the gender diversity, so this 10% score would be awarded to the non-male candidates. And if we consider the work experience which has overall 7% weightage, so if your work experience is 12 months or less than that, then your composites marks are calculated like 7 into the work experience you have divided by 12. If your work experience is in between 12 to 24 months, then you will be awarded with the 7 marks. If it is in between 24 to 48 months, then it is calculated like 48 minus the work experience you have into 7 divided by 24. If your work experience is 48 months or more than that, then there are 0 marks for this. And if we consider the performance in graduation, so if your graduation percentage ranges in between 65 to 85% for the engineering, basic science and commerce stream, then your composite score will be calculated like your graduation marks minus 65 into 5 by 20. And if your graduation marks are above 85, then you will be awarded with the 5 marks for that. So if we consider the other streams, then your overall performance in the graduation will be calculated like if your percentage ranges in between 55 to 70, then whatever the percentage you have minus 55 into 5 divided by 15. And if your percentage are 70% or more than that, then you will be given with the 5 points. And if we consider the stage 2, then in this stage 2, 40% weightage is given to your overall CAT score, 40% weightage is given to your performance in the personal interview, 10% weightage is given to the work experience and 10% weightage is given to your performance in graduation degree. So here if we consider the work experience performance marks, so if your work experience is 12 months or less than that, then the composite score is calculated like 10 into whatever the work experience you have divided by 12. If your work experience is in between 12 to 24 months, then you will be awarded with the 10 marks. If your work experience is in between 24 to 48 months, then the composite score is calculated like 48 minus the work experience you have into 10 divided by 24. And if you have 48 months or more than that work experience, then you will be given with the 0 marks. Then if we consider the score of the graduation marks, then if your degree is from the engineering, basic science and commerce, so if your percentage ranges in between 65 to 85, then the composite score is calculated like whatever the percentage you have minus 65 into 10 divided by 20. And if your percentage are 85% or more than that, then you will be given with the 10 points. Then if we consider the other streams, then if your percentage ranges in between 55 to 70, then the composite score is calculated like whatever the percentage you have minus 55 into 10 divided by 15. And if your percentage are more than 70, then you will be given with the 10 points. So if we consider the overall batch profile for the IIT Guwahati, so if we consider it in terms of the work experience, there are 50% candidates are the freshers, 25% candidates are the work experience up to 12 months, 12.5% candidates have the work experience in between 12 to 24 months and 12.5% candidates have the work experience in between 24 to 36 months. Then if we consider it in terms of the educational background, then there are 12.5% candidates have an academic background as an BSc, 75% candidates have an academic background as an engineering, and 12.5% have an academic background as an BBA. Then if we consider the engineering background, then there are 25% candidates have the engineering background as an computer science engineering and IT engineering. Then 42% candidates have an academic background as an electronics engineering and electrical engineering. 8% candidates have an academic background as an mechanical engineering and civil engineering, and 25% candidates have the academic background as an engineering background other than all of these branches. So IIT Guwahati offers you the Masters of Business Administration, and in that there are 4 electives. Like first is the finance, which consists of introduction to financial derivatives, financial risk management, investment banking, and bank management and financial services. Then second elective is marketing, which consists of consumer behavior, digital marketing, marketing analytics and metrics, and product management and brand management. Then third elective is human resource and management, which consists of industrial relations and labor law, negotiation and conflict management, performance and compensation management, and personality and assessment. And fourth elective is operations, which consists of quality management and control, warehouse management, materials management, and supply chain management. Then if we consider the important dates for the Indian Institute of Technology Guwahati, then the registrations has already been started from 18th of January and the last date of application is 19th February 2024. So if you are interested in the IIT Guwahati MBA program, you need to apply before 19th of February. If we consider the overall application and processing fees, then for all the female candidates, the application fees is rupees 800 rupees. Then all transgender candidates have the application fees of 800 rupees. SC, ST and PWD candidates have the application fees as an 800 rupees, and all the other candidates have the application and processing fees as 1600 rupees. If we consider the overall fee structure with the IIT Guwahati, then it is nearly up to 5.07 lakhs. Then if we consider the overall seats in the IIT Guwahati, then those are total 30 seats. So out of that, 12 seats are for the open merit candidates, 3 seats are for the general and EWS, 8 seats are for the OBC and NCL, 5 seats are for the SC candidates, and 2 seats are for the ST candidates. Then if we consider the overall placements for the Indian Institute of Technology Guwahati, then the average salary package offered with this college, it is nearly up to 13.50 lakhs per annum, and according to the last year data, the highest salary package offered with this college, it is nearly up to 24 lakhs per annum. So this is all about IIT Guwahati. If you have any doubts, any queries in this, then you can just let me know in the comments. Thank you for watching the video. If you find the video helpful, then do like the video and subscribe the channel.